Great timing, right off the meat of the bat.
The fielder could only pick that up off the boundary rope, punch that away through the covers with exquisite timing.
A little short on that occasion. Needs to adjust the length slightly to be just a little fuller. Too short on this pitch, and as we've seen already, it makes it very easy to score.
Going a bit more conservative with this field.
Finds the edge. Straight to the fielder. Could be close. Trouble. Oh, gone.
Well, the end of a productive innings. It didn't quite ignite into the fireworks as we would have hoped, but still, solid work.
A big opportunity. They've worked hard in recent weeks. They should have the confidence to build an innings and get big runs on the board. Beaten on the drive.
Maybe they didn't pick it up. Very late on the shot.
Really playing all their shots that over. Really expensive.
A change in the field now. More emphasis on defence.
There'll be runs here. There'll be one run here for them.
Immediately underway with some runs. No runs on that occasion, got into position nicely, just too early on the shot, couldn't find a gap.
Bowler is confident on this one. Gone, it's a good catch.
They find themselves 7 wickets down. It's about now you need someone to stand up and stick around at the crease.
A change to the complexion of this match. Got to get the new batter coming forward early, encouraging them to drive and really attack the stumps.
A little late on that, no run scored.
Strokes it languidly away to the fence. A lovely shot.
Well, that was a really solid shot. Read the length early to get onto the front foot, and that raced away for 4.
End of the over, 6 runs coming from it. The Super Kings are 7 for 96. Finds the fielder with that shot. Needs to be on target. Could that be out? Looks so.
An innings that promised much and really, in the end, delivered very little. Pretty disappointing all round.
With the fall of that wicket, we have a new batter at the crease. Bravo will be looking to make a strong start to their innings.
Encouraging the bowler to take a few more risks as the fields moved around. Tried to get the drive away, but timed it poorly. Lucky to survive. Well, that's the right shot to choose, but timed it badly. Couldn't get the drive away.
That's great fielding. That ball was flying. Bravo, ready to face their first ball. Really needs to settle quickly and see if they can get the ball into the gaps.
Yes.
They'd look for a couple here. Crying wolf is not the best approach. It'll just annoy the umpire.
Yep.
Massive chance. Gone. Brilliant in the field.
As they head back to the pavilion, they'll be wishing they went about this innings a little differently. Not too much to speak of on the scoreboard.
For 99, please welcome the new batsman at number 11 for the Super Kings.
The captain making some adjustments to the field here.
Got right in behind it. A direct hit, and this could be gone.
You could see by how it whistled away to the boundary just how sweetly this was timed.
Bravo has got the big shot away this over. Now they can focus on playing the next ball on its merits.
Yes.
Exquisitely done on the front foot, a gorgeous looking drive. Could have been worth more.
Yeah.
Picks the gap perfectly.
Keeper.
A couple on offer here.
That gets things going. Just nice to get settled, start to get your first runs.
Yeah.
A bit of frustration after that shot. Went after it, but just couldn't lay a bat on it.
Catch it.
Ease through the field. There'll be runs here.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball. A lovely shot and good running.
The Super Kings weren't given much of an opportunity. A very tidy over.
Just need to settle down. The timing's off. These deliveries are there to be hit. Time for cool heads.
Yeah.
Collects that one, simple as you like, inside the ring.
Good running. It needed to be as well. Probably closer than they expected.
Yes.
Too full. Got what it deserved.
I, for one, reckon that second run was on, but clearly the batters knew better.
Yeah.
Nothing really wrong with the delivery. Got onto the front foot and found the space to get that one to the boundary. A few moves made in the field.
Yeah.
Great shot. At least one on offer.
Decisive running might have gotten two. Looking back at it, I'd say they'd have made it easily. So in the end, poor running.
Yes.
Chance to run two.
A little flick of the wrist to get it round the corner for an easy run.
9 runs added in that over. The Super Kings are 9 for 120. The right-arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the south end. Wow, that's missed the lot.
Bowling.
Totally beaten by the change of pace on that delivery. Very unlucky not to take the wicket. A change in the field. More emphasis on defence. The captain going on the defensive with this field.
Yeah.
Well placed. Should get a single.
It was just a little bit wide. Well picked up and guided nicely down towards third. What a lovely shot. Really good timing out of the middle and race to the boundary.
I'd like to see them aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms.
Yep.
Nice running between the wickets. Clipping the pads, not the bat though.
Misses everything.
Russell with a superb delivery. Got them coming forward looking to drive, but can't manage to catch the edge.
Nice bowling.
Umpire signals wide. Such a poor delivery. Really need to work out what actually went wrong.
Nine runs added there. The Super Kings are 9 for 129. The right-arm fast bowler is coming into the attack from the north end. Flew away with pace. Brilliant timing.
Avoided the fielders, 1 bounce and 4. Fantastic shot.
It can be very disheartening seeing good deliveries smacked around. Sometimes you just got to accept it and move on.
Yes.
Oh boy, that's really high. This might be gone. Gone! Takes it and seals the win.
The Knight Riders get the final wicket. A brilliant bowling display to take the 10 wickets and the victory.